What's up, everybody? It's Kelsee Briana J here with my June favorites, and this is actually my second time filming this video. It is the 4th of July today, so I'm a little bit late with getting it out. But honestly, I'm not really big on the 4th of July, so I don't really celebrate it. I didn't really have any big plans because I don't like barbecue and I don't like fireworks. So I forgot about fireworks actually until I was about to film, so I waited a little bit later on in the day to film because I just been kind of chilling all day and I was doing my makeup and I felt good about it, and I sat down to film, and like literally as soon as I turned on the camera, all I hear outside is pop, 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 pop. And I'm like, I'm still gonna film this video whether they like it or not. So in between pops, I'm trying to get a word in. So I'm like, I really like this, and it's like pop, and this is pop, and then a pop, and I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna refilm the video and share with you guys my favorites. So I went to dinner, I came back, and now it's a cricket outside. So I'm sorry if you can hear that cricket, but we have to get this show on the road and we're about to do our June favorites. The month of June was very slow. I feel like it was June forever. I feel like there was so many makeup items that came out in June that I feel like it was enough for the entire year. I'm not even kidding. Like every day it was something new. So I picked out my absolute favorite things that I purchased in June, and everything else I liked if I said I liked it, and I don't like if I said I didn't like it. But there was a lot of things going on, so I'm going to share with you guys the things that were the cream of my crop. So first things first, I really like this Kiehl's butter mask for lips. It is an overnight lip treatment, and I really like it because it makes my lips feel very soft and supple. It feels like cocoa butter. So I really like the smell. It's very soothing to me, and it really makes my lips feel great. It's a ton of product in here, so it takes me a long time to go through lip stuff, so I can see myself having this easily the entire year. But I put some on not only at night, I wear it all the time just when I'm chilling, just want something to throw on my lips. I really like the way this feels. As far as blushes go, I have been loving this. This is a MAC mineralized blush in the color Naturally Flawless, and it is a very neutral nude tone blush, and I love colors like this. If you guys don't know, my favorite blush of all time is MAC Gingerly, because the blush gives you color back in your face, because sometimes you need a little bit of color. I need a little bit of color personally. I know not everybody likes blush, but if you are not a blush lover, colors like this will be great for you. I personally don't go too wild with blush colors, honestly. I kind of keep it in the neutral, corally, sometimes pinky, but like really wild colors, I feel like it makes my cheeks look just like, hello. So I like to use something that's very subdued, and I feel like this is beautiful. The formula of it is really nice. So like today I have it on, and as you guys can see, my eyes are very dramatic. So I need something that's not as dramatic to let my eyes take center stage, and this blush is perfect for that. I have been using these lips all month. These are the Marc Jacobs Hydrating Lip Gloss Sticks. The formula is so nice because it feels like a chapstick, and it has pigmentation almost like a light lipstick, and it shines like a gloss. I like Sugar Sugar more than Mocha Chocolata, because Mocha Chocolata is more so of like a very muted type color, and then Sugar Sugar is lighter, so it's giving me more so of that nudish look, and Mocha Chocolata is like my lips but better. Oh my goodness, this foundation is so nice. This is the Dior Face and Body Foundation, and once I found my color, I truly fell in love with this foundation. As you guys saw when I initially reviewed the Dior line, the new runway line, the backstage line, I had the wrong color. I had 5 in, so I replaced my order and I ordered 4 in, which is still too dark because the models on the website that they provided, it's just not accurate. So when I went in store, I was looking at all the colors, so I finally settled on 4WO, which I think that this color is still just a hair too light, but with a touch of this color mixed in is correct. And then today I put this color on the perimeter of my face, and I have this one on the inside, and I've had it on a few hours at this point, and it always just has this really beautiful finish. It's flawless. It's just a really pretty foundation overall, and it has a finish unlike any foundation that I've ever seen. It's like it perfects your skin. There's 40 different colors. I would definitely recommend going in store, swatching the foundations just to see which one you wear, because picking online is really difficult. Too Faced, Too Faced, Too Faced. They have done it with this concealer. This concealer was gifted to me from them. They actually sent me the entire line of the Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealers, and I was so hyped when I got these concealers because I wasn't expecting it. And so when I got the package, I'm like, they sent me every concealer from the line. So I was just very overly excited. I didn't really know what to expect. I had been seeing promos online about the concealer. But you know, concealers are very personal. They can be hit or miss. Sometimes you may like one thing about the concealer, but you may not like another thing. But overall, I think that this concealer is pretty much as close to perfection for me as it's going to get, because it's a hydrating concealer. It gives really good coverage. It wears well throughout the day. It doesn't settle into my lines. I think that it makes me look lifted. It feels good. It smells good. There's a lot of products here. The color range is really good for me because most of the colors lean more golden. So I overall have thoroughly enjoyed the concealer, and I have it on now, and I enjoy having a variety of colors that work for me. There's 20 different colors of this concealer, and there's a shade that matches me perfectly. I have 2 shades that I can use for highlight. I have a shade that I can use to contour. So I overall love this concealer. It's new holy grail status for me. I've used it every single day since they sent it to me, and that is unheard of for me. Honestly, that is unheard of. So I've had this gloss in my purse the entire month. This is the Pat McGrath Lust Lip Gloss. This one is in the color Gold Allure, and this is the perfect gold shimmer gloss. It's not just gold. It has a shift of like purple. Sometimes when I shift it, I see green. Sometimes when I shift it, I see blue. I love this gloss. It's so easy to throw on. It goes with so many of my looks. It's very comfortable to wear. You don't feel the grittiness of the gloss, which I like, and it wears for a decent amount of time. So I love this one. So I had to fight myself not to put it on right now. Like, I'm like, no, yes. But I love it. It lives in my purse. The last favorite that I have to share with you guys is a highlighting palette, and it is the Anastasia Dream Glow Kit. And I feel like I've had this for so long. This palette is beautiful. It is a holographic highlighter palette. I did a review on it where I tried on all the colors, and here it is. I have it on now, and I feel like it's so pretty. These colors shift, and you'll think it looks one way and blend it out and it looks totally different. So I love that about it. All of them have like a slight pinky shift to it, but they all really complement my complexion. This highlighter palette is definitely a brown girl's dream. It's going to be stunning on your complexion. It is not icy. It's not too cool toned. It is larger particles of glitter, but once you blend it out, baby, that highlight will be amazing. These are all my favorite products that I want to share with you guys. I also want to share with you all some PR that I received. So Kane and Austin sent me over some retexture pads. These are the 10% glycolic acid pads. They're a facial treatment to reduce fine lines, wrinkles, enlarged pores, and the appearance of age spots. So I was very excited to try these because I've seen this brand on Sephora's app, and I've always been interested in the pads and just like how it peels and retexturizes your skin. So when they said, hey, did you want to try our pads? I'm like, yes. Thank you so much, Kane and Austin, for sending these over to me. I've been holding them over in my little section to share with you guys in this video. I'm really excited to try these. Also, a brand called NMNL. They are a Japanese-based brand, and it is a subscription box. They send over, So here's the box of goodies. Every month, a different box is curated with goodies straight from Japan, and everything is in Japanese, but it does come with a little manual to tell you guys what these products are. This is a soap. It's actually like a pearl soap. There's an eyeshadow palette in here. There's nail decals. This is a makeup remover like pad. This is sunscreen. So everything is Japanese, and I love Japanese culture. So when they reached out to me, I'm like, yes. I thought that this was a great opportunity for me to try different brands from Japan. Thank you so much again to them. A brand called Simply Be reached out to me and let me pick out some clothes from their website. This is one of the shirts that I picked out from them. Very cute shirt. It fits cute. It's very on trend. And what I really liked about them is that they're inclusive, and they have sizes all the way from, I think, 0 to like 28. I will insert the actual size range that they have here. But I really like them because it doesn't separate clothes. You guys know in the curvy community, plus size community, when you wear larger sizes, they have separate sections and separate clothes. but now they have it all together, so it doesn't matter what size you wear, you can get the same pieces of clothing. I really liked that inclusiveness. I see fashion is trying to come around and be more inclusive, just like the makeup industry. When this brand reached out to me, I'm like, absolutely. I actually have more pieces from them. I'm gonna do like a little photo shoot coming up soon. Make sure you follow me on Instagram to see those pieces. But I love this shirt. The only gripe that I have with this shirt is that it's glitter, so the glitter particles do come off. I will have a picture posted of me wearing it on my Instagram page, and I have a code for you guys to use to get 50% off if you want to purchase this shirt or anything from the website. Lastly, in PR, Bare Minerals was kind enough to send me over some goodies. I actually don't want to go through everything in this box because I'm going to do a dedicated video to these products. Bare Minerals is one of those brands that have been around for forever, so I feel like it's time for me to make a video about them. I've tried some of their products like in passing, but I really want to do a dedicated video for you guys who are like die-hard Bare Minerals people, or for people who really don't know that much about the brand. So thank you so much to everybody. Let's talk about some things that have been going on in culture. So TV, you guys know I really like binge watching series, but sometimes I watch series as they're going on. So right now, I'm really excited that Power is back on TV, and we're now in season 5. Oh my goodness, we left off on the biggest like shock ever in season 4. I don't want to ruin it for anybody who hasn't watched it, but that show is so intense and it has so much drama, and I'm really excited to see what direction they plan on going in season 5, just because of the history of the show, and like I'm like, what else can they possibly do? I'm excited about this season. I already have watched the first episode. If you're a Power fan and you want to talk about it, make sure to put spoiler before you talk to me about it in the comment section and let me know what you guys think. I watched 13 Reasons Why, and I'm not into that show like at all. I don't know if it's because I haven't been a teenager in a long time, so I really can't relate. I know that so many people are 13 Reasons Why die-hard fans. No offense, it's just too high school to me, you know? So okay, so I'm gonna tell you guys what show I'm watching, but I don't want anybody to ruin it for me, and I mean it. I will block you. I have been watching, I'm scared to say, I have been watching Game of Thrones. All right, I'm gonna throw it out there. Do not ruin it. I am on season 7. So I'm finishing up season 7. I know that they're gonna do season 8 sometime in 2019. They've had this long stretch of time, but the next season is the last season. And so at first I really was not into that show like that. Like the first 2 seasons, I'm like, oh my gosh, I don't get it. The 3rd season, it kind of pulled it in, and I really started understanding the characters, and it just got juicy to me. Because for a long time, I'm like, why would they name a character Sansa and then name the other character Cersei? Like, that's too close. I'm a person who's on the phone and I watch at the same time, or I may be editing a video and watching TV at the same time. But that's the type of show, if you're gonna watch it, you have to give your full undivided attention. And so once I started doing that, I started understanding the characters and just understanding what's going on, because that's a show it's either all or nothing. I went to the movies to go see a movie called Hereditary. Hated it. Oh my gosh, the entire movie, it was like it was building up to be scary, and there definitely were intense moments, but just like at the end of the day, I'm like, for real, that was it. Like, I was kind of disappointed leaving out, and it was kind of creepy, but it was like they were trying to incorporate too many elements at one time, and it just didn't do it for me. So I didn't like that movie. Let me know if you guys saw that movie. As far as music goes, it's so many new things that are coming out. Drake has just dropped his new album. It has 2 sides. It has the rap side, it has the R&B side. I honestly have not taken the time to really listen to it, so I am gonna, you know, get on that and listen to it very soon. Tiana Taylor dropped her album. I liked certain songs on it, but I know that she was having a lot of issues with it getting dropped. I know that she said that a lot of stuff got cut out, so I don't know what's going on with her. Hopefully they're able to fix that and maybe give us the version that she wanted us to hear, but overall I think that it's decent. I'm gonna go back through and listen to it again, but it's very short. Also, B&J, y'all know because I'm on first name basis with them, they dropped a surprise album, and it was also very short, so I'm excited because I do see them in August. I was seeing on Instagram, you know, like everybody films the concert nowadays, the European leg of the tour, and they didn't have any new music, so I'm like, are they gonna give us new music? And they did. Let me know what you guys think about that album as well. I really like it because I'm a Beyonce fan, so I almost am gonna like almost anything she comes out with. My favorite part of Beyonce's music is the production that she puts with it. I like to see the outfits, I like to see the choreography, I like to see the overall vibe that she's going with. So that's why I've loved her past few albums, because they were visual albums. So I want that again. I can feel it, I can hear it, but I need to see it. Let me know what you guys think about that. Let me know what your favorite products have been for June. Honestly, June has so many launches. I know that it's a lot to talk about, so let me know what you've loved. Let me know what you have not loved. Also in July, I haven't seen as many new products come out, but let me know what you're going to be picking up that's coming out. And if you have not already, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. That way you can keep up with me whenever I upload new videos. And I will talk to you all in my very next one, which will be super, super soon. Smooches! Bye!